Hey friends, welcome back to Little Town Homestead. My name is Allison. So today what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to store your homemade butter. So what I've gone ahead and done is I have made us some butter, and I have not mixed in the salt yet, so I need to do that. And what we're going to do is I'm going to get an ice tray that I got from Publix. It is this one right here. It has these little push button type silicone things so you can push the ice cube or what we're going to use for butter pucks out. And we are going to get a spoon, put our butter from this into this. We're going to freeze them, and then we'll throw them in this Ziploc bag that I have prepared right here. And we will have butter in our freezer ready for us to use whenever we're gonna make eggs or saute something up. We're just gonna grab a puck or two, however much you need, throw it in the pan, it'll melt, and it's ready to use. I like to do this because whenever I have made butter in the past, I'll make big logs of it, which is good to have, but sometimes we don't get through that before it goes bad. So I like to do this for when I'm cooking, and then I can make smaller logs to use for other things like buttering bread and stuff like that throughout the week without it going bad as fast. So I'll make smaller logs, and then I'll also make these butter pucks to use whenever I cook. And I just grab a few out of this bag out of the freezer, throw them in the pan, and it is done, and I don't have to worry about using the rest of an entire package. So let's go ahead and I'll show you. I got my tray, and my butter is right here. I'm gonna mix in the salt just a little bit more. And I have made a how to make butter video, so I will link that down in the description below. I'm gonna get my spoon, I got my tray and my butter, and I am going to put some butter in this tray, and we are going to freeze it, and I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. Okay friends, we have our butter in the trays. I'm gonna stick it in the freezer, and then I will show you what it looks like afterward. What I did with my leftover butter is I put it in this airtight container, and I'm gonna stick it in the fridge. And whenever these are done freezing, I'll pop these in this Ziploc bag, and I will throw some more of this in here, and this will stay good in the fridge long enough for me to freeze it up in these. If I had more of these, then I could definitely get it done in one sitting, but this is the only one I have, so I'm going to do it in little sessions. Thanks for stopping by Little Town Homestead. Hit that like button if you like this kind of content, and I'd love to see you back on this channel. Have a blessed day. Bye.